Play is a brain's favourite way of learning. So, we wanted to start something with the most popular and widely used educational platform, the BBC Microbit. Now, what is a BBC Microbit? It's not just a small PCB board, but a board with features like LED light, temperature sensors, Bluetooth, a USB interface, and a compass. So now we know why the Microbit is so popular. Thus, we decided to add a platform that accompanies both playing and learning. We present to you the StemBit, an easy to assemble and play with programmable blocks kit for the Microbit community. The name is compiled using two different words, STEM from the STEM Educational Society and BIT from the BBC Microbit community. With StemBit, it's ensured that learning is made an enjoyable experience. In other simple words, with the StemBit, kids can utilise the applications of the Microbit to fully realise their ideas and truly unlock their imagination while on the play. The programmable blocks kit comprises of more than 260 building blocks, and it's called the Microbit and the Microbit STEM board. The STEM board is a specially designed expansion board that is used for programming different movements, structures, sensors, etc. using the Microbit. StemBit can be used to play and learn programming, regardless if you know programming or if you don't. Now the question comes, why StemBit? Well, the answer is easy, because it's fun and learn on the go. StemBit is an easy to assemble programmable kit that helps design multiple structures like the tuk-tuk car, skyscraper, the crawling robot, and many more. It enables you to nurture creativity in kids, programming different components, learn about multiple sensors, and play together. We have combined electronic components with building blocks such as infrared remote controls, obstacle avoidance, tracking, colourful lights, and other functions that allow users to control moving blocks with programming. With so many different combinations to make and multiple programming options, StemBit is a great source of entertainment for everyone. It supports Scratch, JavaScript, block coding, and Python programming, again giving it the endless opportunities to power your imagination and nurture your creativity. You can also take control of the design structures using the gamepad. With the StemBit, you can learn robot creation, gain mechanical knowledge, work with different sensors, electronic circuit knowledge, and enhance your programming skills. It helps you enrich your imagination using technology. In simple words, it's a combination of blocks and the electronic modules together. You can practically share this experience of the StemBit and help us reach our goal on Kickstarter by backing us.